From that report, we come back home because the Gambia Police Force has called on a press conference on Thursday to give update on the joint security zero crime operations across the country between months of June and July. According to the police, 110 suspects were rounded up by the patrol teams for crimes varying degrees in different locations. Binta Jallo has the rest of that story.
The police public relations officer, Superintendent Lamin Jai, said during the Thursday press conference that 5 out of 110 arrested by the joint patrol teams were released for lack of connection to any crime. As a matter of procedure, among law enforcement units, 60 individuals were handed to the Gambia Immigration Department for assessment on documents-related offences. The Public Relations Officer of the Gambia Immigration Department, Chief Superintendent Mamanding S. Diba, gave a breakdown of those handed over to his department by the Gambia Police Force.
Meaning 60 people have been handed to us who are suspected to be having some friction with immigration laws. These 60 people, majority of them were undocumented aliens who have all regularized their status in the country. There's one thing that I like to make very clear here, that even though these people, once they are handed to us for crimes of not regularizing their stay in the country, they mostly comply to regularize their stay by obtaining the relevant permits. Obtaining the permits and generating revenue for the country is not our ultimate mandate. This is part of our job, but the national security supersedes this revenue generation.
Accordingly, the Drug Law Enforcement Agency received 17 suspected players in drug-related matters, while 28 suspects were charged for various crimes of going armed in public, assault, and breaking traffic laws. Given the pace of law enforcement on the footprints of the zero crime, the Gambia Police has announced the plan to launch another operation known as Clear the Streets come the 26th of July 2021. The idea for this move, according to the police spokesperson, is to sanitize of unwarranted obstacles to the pathways.
Individuals, this operation is going to affect all of obstacles that are along the highways or on public roads, causing obstruction and congestion of traffic. Individuals who have derelict vehicles need to remove their vehicles from the sides of the road. We need to be very clear about this. People who have vehicles along the highways, on the sides, need to remove those vehicles from the highways. Individuals who have mechanic garages or shops that sell tires and they are parked along the highways, we are telling them also to remove those materials from causing obstruction along the sides of the road, because it is important for the roadsides to be clear so that the traffic can flow and pedestrians and cyclists also can use the sides of the road in order to allow the free flow of traffic.
This announcement appears to be a last warning to all individuals whose goods and services are stationed either on the highways or pedestrians or parking zones. The Operation Zero Crime, according to the police, was initiated to tackle crimes and criminal activities within communities and to dismantle all criminal hideouts, as well as prosecute offenders. Few months down the line, the Gambia Police Force is of the belief that a massive reduction of the rate of crime in the country has been achieved. For iAfrica News, Binta Jallo.